I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm nervous, I forgot sunblock, but honestly, none of that matters because I am on my way to Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey to try out the new Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth Pendulum ride, and I am so excited. They are allowing the season pass holders and members to preview the ride before it opens to the public, and thankfully I got a season pass this year, so I am going right now to try this out and film it for you guys, and I'll let you know what I think. It's really high and really fast and really intense, and I'm by myself, so I'm a little nervous. I mean, that's kind of part of the whole point, right? It's like the thrill of slightly being terrified, but also having a good time. I don't know. I don't know why we do this to ourselves. Oh, speed bump. Oh, God. Okay, this place is extremely crowded, and oh crap. Where the heck am I going? I try to never come here on the weekends, but today is an exception. You are going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm not even gonna be picky with this parking because there's only an hour left of the preview, so I gotta park. Okay, I'm like really nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. It's making me have to poop. There it is. People are running.
You go down and then you go. Good, tell us how it is after. You were afraid? You were. Like terrified?
Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed that ride. You can go ahead and unbuckle.
Boom. Oh, good. We all were next to each other. Yay!
Wallets, phones, hats, glasses, cell phones, wallets, keys, purses, phones, all must be to the side.
So I just got off Wonder Woman, and it was freaking amazing. It was actually not what I expected it to be, but it was really, really awesome. My mouth is all dry because there's like a ton of wind in your face. Now it's open to the public. There's this really long line, so I'm glad that I got here before 5, or else I'd be waiting in this long line. I'm gonna go get some more water and enjoy some of the rest of the rides in the park. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I just got off Wonder Woman and it was really fun. Actually, not as intense as I thought it was gonna be. I was actually pretty nervous. I don't know why, but it was a lot of fun and it's really fast. It's 75 miles an hour. I think it said over 170 feet high, and it's the tallest pendulum ride in the world. So if you live near the area or wanna make a trip out to Great Adventure, it's definitely worth trying out. This poor woman that I was online with, she was so nervous. She actually got onto the ride, sat down, and then like changed her mind. She was really nervous about having that feeling in your stomach of like dropping, but I didn't get that sensation at all. I think because it spins very slowly. It's also so fast that like there's just no time or room for your stomach to like do anything. I don't know. I don't really know the reasons behind it, but anyway, it was really good. I liked it a lot. I'll definitely do it again. I'm a mess. I wanted to stick around and go on some rides, but everyone and their mother is here. The lines are so long. I'm so hungry, and even the food lines are long. I'm just gonna head home and start editing this video. All in all, my review of Wonder Woman, I really liked it. It was a lot of fun, and you can actually kind of relax on it. I guess I was kind of expecting something like Zumanjaro, where like there's just that intensity and that suspense of like, when is it gonna drop? And this you can kind of just like sit back, relax, and enjoy. It is intense in its own way, but definitely nothing to be like afraid of unless you're scared of heights. It's a good addition to Great Adventure's flat rides. Now have an hour and a half drive home. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!